The General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon is a single-engine supersonic multirole fighter aircraft originally developed by General Dynamics, now part of Lockheed Martin, for the United States Air Force, USAF. Designed as an air superiority day fighter, it evolved into a successful all-weather multirole aircraft. Over 4,600 aircraft have been built since production was approved in 1976. Although no longer being purchased by the U.S. Air Force, improved versions are being built for export customers. 6. In 1993, General Dynamics sold its aircraft manufacturing business to the Lockheed Corporation. 7. Which in turn became part of Lockheed Martin after a 1995 merger with Martin Marietta. 8. F-16 Fighting Falcon 2008 Rolla Multirole Fighter, Air Superiority Fighter National Origin United States Manufacturer General Dynamics. Lockheed Martin first flight the 20th of January 1974, 45 years ago, unplanned. The 2nd of February 1974, 45 years ago, official, introduction the 17th of August 1978, 41 years ago status and service primary users United States Air Force. 25 other users produced 1973-2017, 2019 present number built 4604, June 2018, unit cost. F-16A, B, $14.6 million, 1998, 4. F-16C, D, $18.8 million, 1998, 4. Variants General Dynamics F-16 VIST developed into vote model 1600. General Dynamics F-16XL. Mitsubishi F-2. The Fighting Falcon's key features include a frameless bubble canopy for better visibility, side-mounted control stick to ease control while maneuvering, an ejection seat reclined 30 degrees from vertical to reduce the effect of G-forces on the pilot, and the first use of a relaxed static stability, fly-by-wire flight control system which helps to make it an agile aircraft. The F-16 has an internal M61 Vulcan cannon and 11 locations for mounting weapons and other mission equipment. The F-16's official name is Fighting Falcon, but Viper is commonly used by its pilots and crews due to a perceived resemblance to a Viper snake as well as the colonial Viper starfighter O.N. Battlestar Galactica which aired at the time the F-16 entered service. In addition to active duty in the U.S. Air Force Reserve Command, and Air National Guard units, the aircraft is also used by the USAF Aerial Demonstration Team, the U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds, and as an aggressor aircraft by the United States Navy. The F-16 has also been procured to serve in the air forces of 25 other nations. As of 2015, it is the world's most numerous fixed-wing aircraft in military service.